Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. In this video, we are going to explore Google Slide app with all its features. As well, we will try to understand how we can create presentation slides using Google Slides app on our mobile phone. Okay, so friends, if you are visiting this channel first time, please subscribe this channel, like our videos and share it with your all friends. Okay, so in order to create slides with Google Slides app, first of all you need to install it from Google Play Store. Friends, I have already installed it. On my screen you can see this yellow icon with slides name. So this is basically Google Slides app. Okay, so in order to work with Google Slides, let's try to open this app. So I will simply tap on this slides icon. Now you can see the app is open with this interface. So before understanding all its features and how to create slides, I will try to give you a quick intro about Google Slides. So basically Google Slide is a presentation program which included as a part of free web-based Google Docs editor suite, okay, which is offered by Google company. Okay, so this web-based Google Docs editor suite includes various services including Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Drawings, Google Forms, Google Sites, Google Keep, etc. So this suite basically has support to 83 languages all over the world. Okay, and this service basically they started in 2006. Okay, so this presentation platform is having support for various operating system including mobile and desktop. So it includes Android, iOS, Mac OS, Windows, BlackBerry, Chrome OS, etc. So this Google Slide platform is quite similar to PowerPoint software of Microsoft, which we all know, which is used for creating presentation slides. Plus this Google Slides gives you ability to collaborate from wherever you are and your team members in the world. So you will be able to work on single file or single presentation from different locations. So your teammates or your colleagues will be work on single presentation in collaborative way. Okay, so now let's try to understand the interface and then what various features we have within this Google Slide. Okay, so first of all, at top right corner you can see here we need to select the Google account with which you want to connect these slides. So all your presentation files will be saved on the Google Drive, which is linked to the selected account. Okay, so I have selected one account right now. If you want, you can switch to any other account as well. Okay, so after selecting this account, left to that you can see one folder icon is available. So if you tap on that icon, so this will help you to import PPT files. Okay, so as you can see we have two options to import. Either you can import from Google Drive or you can import it from your device storage. Okay, so I will show you how you can import from device storage. So simply I will tap on device storage. Here you can select different location if you want. Right now it is in download folder. So in download folder, suppose I will try to select one PPT file. Here it is. So simply select your PPT file. Okay, so it will start importing it. See, okay, it has imported the selected file from device storage. Okay, in the same way you can select your PPT file from Google Drive as well if you have stored your file on Google Drive. Okay, so this file is imported now within slides. Okay, so you will be able to work with this file. Okay, you can edit it, you can share it, you can modify it. Okay, so whatever basic things you need to perform, whatever basic operations you want to perform, you will be able to do it. Okay, so in this way you can import file using this folder option. Okay, next you have this text box which having text search slides. Okay, so as you can see, multiple files are available here. So in order to search particular file, you can use this search slide text box. Okay, so if I type text pod, let's say, so it will show me the result. Okay, whichever file will match. Okay, so right now you can see result having two tabs. One is drive files and one is device files. Okay, so if you have any files on device, so it will show that files within this device tab. Okay, so right now I have all my files on Google Drive, that's why it is showing this result from Google Drive. Okay, so in this way you can search particular slides. So next you have this three lines, so which we called as hamburger menu. So if you tap on this, it will open with this left panel. So several options you can observe within this left panel. So first one is recent, so which shows you recent files with which you have worked. Okay, then next option you have shared with me. So if any person has shared any presentation file with you, okay, so all that presentation will be appear within this. Okay, so right now you can see one file is shared with me by some person, so that file is shown here. Okay, so that is what shared with me option. Then star, next option. So here if you want to make any presentation quickly accessible, okay, from list of presentations, so you can star that particular document. So all that star document will be available here within this option. Okay, so you can see I have two documents which I have marked as a star, and you can observe one small star icon is appearing in the right bottom corner of slide. Okay, that shown, that option is basically showing that this document is marked as a star and it is available within this option for quick access. Okay, then next you have offline files. Okay, so this feature is really useful if you don't have net connection. Okay, so you can make these files available for offline work as well. So whenever you will not have net connectivity, then also you will be able to work on these files. Okay, so by default this slides app making all recent files available for offline use. So whatever recent files you will have, all that files will be made available offline. So if you don't have net connectivity, still you will be able to work with your files. Okay, that is what offline files. So if I tap on this, you can see list of files. Okay, so these all files will be available offline. So if I disconnect net connectivity, still I will be able to work with these files. Okay, if I want, I can search any particular file as well. Okay, so next option you have trash. Okay, so if you delete any file, any presentation from your drive files, so it move to first of all trash. Okay, so all deleted presentation will be available within this trash. Okay, so here items will be deleted forever after 30 days. Okay, and if you want to restore any item, okay, simply suppose I want to restore this test presentation file, simply I will tap on these three dots. Here you can see, first of all I can check details of this file, then I can restore and I can delete it forever. So if I click on restore or if I tap on restore, this file will be again moved to your drive. Okay, and if I delete it forever, it will be removed from trash and it will be no longer available. Okay, so whatever file you will delete, first of all it come to the trash, and from trash you have two options, either you can move back to the drive or you can delete it forever. So for example, I don't want this file, so simply I will tap on these three dots and I will delete it forever. It will ask you for a confirmation, just again select delete forever and you can see message file deleted forever. Like this you can delete file forever from trash. Okay, if you want to restore, suppose I want to restore this file, simply I will click on restore. So you can see file is restored, one item is restored, this notification is given by app. Okay, so in this way this trash works. Then you have settings. So within setting, certain setting related to slide app you can change or you can modify. So theme you can select here, light, dark, okay, as per your convenient. Then document creation, in order to create pptx file within this Google slide app, you need to enable this. Right now it is disabled. Okay, if you want to work with pptx file, you need to enable this option. Then offline is the next setting you have. So whatever recent files you have worked with, all that files by default made offline available. Okay, so recent files will be automatically be made available for offline work on this Google Slides app. Right now it is enabled. Okay, if you don't want, you can disable it as well. Next setting you have, transfer files only over Wi-Fi. So if your Wi-Fi connection is not available, so file uploading or updating will be paused, and whenever Wi-Fi connection will be available, it will resume again. Okay, right now it is on, means if you don't have Wi-Fi, file uploading and updating will be paused. Okay, then next you have document cache. So you can clear the all cached document of this Google Slide app by selecting the document cache. Okay, so all these basic settings you have within this settings option. If you need any help, if you want to give any feedback regarding this Google Slides, then you can go with this help and feedback option. Okay, then now we will try to understand this main interface where we have all our presentation documents available. So this area is divided in two tabs. You can see drive files and device files. So drive files means these all files are stored on my Google Drive. Okay, and this device file means it show all files that are stored on my local storage. Okay, that may be my internal memory or my memory card. Okay, so you can access your drive files or these device files, okay, respectively using drive files option and device files option. Okay, then here you can see one list icon. So in order to change the view of these documents from list to tabular or from tabular to list, you can use this toggle icon. So if I tab it, so it will show me the list of my documents. If I want again tabular view, I can again tab on this, so it will show me all my documents in tabular format. Okay, like this you have use of this for switching the view from list to tabular or from tabular to list. Okay, then individually here you can see every file name has certain icon. So for example, if you see this first file pod, then you have one white rectangle and around that you can see somewhat yellow rectangle. Okay, so that is basically icon of your Google slide. Okay, and next to that second file, if you try to observe, this file is having extension pptx. Okay, which is meaning that this is a PowerPoint file. Okay, PowerPoint software of Microsoft, and you can see the icon. There is a character P and around which you will find one square, orange square. Okay, likewise you can observe for every document there is an icon, so you can easily identify which files are PowerPoint files, which files are Google Slides file. Okay, so next to that your file name is there, and next to that there are three dots. For every file there are three dots, so that three dots are basically allowing us to change or allowing us to perform certain operations on individual file. So suppose I will tab on these three dots here in the first file, so this option will be open. So you can see list of options are there within this, so each of them we will try to understand one by one. So I will tab on these three dots. So first option you can see add to star. So already I told, if you want to make any presentation quickly accessible, you can simply tap on these three dots and you can select this first option, add to star. So right now suppose I want to add this file to star documents, so I will tab on this and I will select this add to star. So right now you can see one small star icon is appearing in the right bottom corner. Okay, means that this file is available in the star menu. Okay, so if I go to the star menu, you can see here this file is available for quick access here. Okay, in the same way, whichever file you want to access frequently, you can make it available into the star option using by making it star. Suppose you don't want any file within this star option, so simply you will again tab on these three dots and then you will select this remove from star. So right now you can see the file is unstarred. Okay, and that star icon is removed, means this file is no longer available within star option. Okay, so star option is just for quick access. Okay, next option you have share. So if you want to share this particular presentation with any your friend, your colleague, you can share it with this share option. So tab on it. Here you need to add the email address of the person with which you want to share. So I will try to share it with certain email address. So let's say I will share it with this person. Okay, here you can choose the role, whether it will be editor, whether it will be commenter, whether it will be viewer. Okay, editor means it will have all rights. He can edit, he can view, he can modify, everything he can do with the presentation which you are sharing with him. And you can add some message here. Okay, so and you will share it with the given person. You can see person is added. Okay, so this file will be available to the person with which you have shared, so he will also able to work on this file in a collaborative manner. Okay, then here you can see next option, manage people and link. So this option will allow you to manage the people with which you have shared. So here you can add new people, okay, with which you can share this document. You can access the link with which this document is shared with them. Okay, so here you can see who can access, under which there are two people. One is owner, okay, who owns this file, who has created this file, and another person is there who has a right to edit this file as well. Okay, with this you can access the persons with which this file is selected. Okay, then next option you can see make available offline. So by default all recently open file are made available offline. Suppose any file which I have not opened recently but I want to make it available offline. So for example, this file I want to make available offline. Already it is available offline. You can see green tick there. Okay, so suppose this file is not right now make available offline. So if I want to make it, simply I will select this and you can see the message, the file will be made available offline. And you can see one small icon in the right bottom corner. Okay, two arrows are there, round arrows, so it's showing that this file will be available offline. So whenever net connectivity will not be there, still you will be able to work with this file. Okay, this is what the use of make available offline. Then details, this is next option you have. So this detail shows various information regarding the document, the type of file, like here we have type Google Slides. If you have PPT file, then type will be PowerPoint presentation. Then you have location where this file is saved. So right now it is saved within my drive. Then when it is created, when it is modified, by whom it is modified, okay, and who has accessed this file. So right now you can see it is shared with one more person as well. So again, if you tab on this angle bracket, so here again same window you can see, okay, which shows the people with which it is shared and the link with which it is shared. Okay, likewise you can check the details of file using this details option. Then copy link. Okay, so if you want to share this file, so you can get that link for sharing using this copy link. So if I tab on this, you can see link is copied to clipboard, so you can paste that link anywhere and you can share this file. Okay, then next option you have send a copy. Suppose you want to send this file to any other person as a PowerPoint presentation PPTX, or as a PDF, or as a text file, or as a any other format, then you can use this send a copy option. Okay, so if I tab on this, it will show me this option. In this format you can share this file. PPTX is there, PDF is there, open document format is there, ODP, and text file. So if you choose this PDF and if you tab on OK, so it will try to load this document. Okay, first of all, so after loading it will show you option for sharing. Okay, so you can share it with your WhatsApp, Telegram, and all other social media platforms. Gmail is there. Okay, you can mail it directly. So after loading completed, it will show you the option for. Okay, so here you can see list of options it has shown. So any option you can choose and you can share it. Okay, so suppose I will choose WhatsApp. Okay, so it will take some time to load WhatsApp. And I will share it with this number. Okay, here you can see the file is shared. Okay, so like this you can share file directly from the slides app. Okay, then next option you have make a copy. So you can create copy of this file within your Google Drive. Okay, so let's try to create copy. Suppose I will try to create copy of this file. So make a copy. So here it will ask you name. So I will try to specify name, copy 1, any name you can specify, and location where you want to copy this file. Suppose I will create new directory within Drive, copy file demo. Okay, and here I will try to select it. Okay, so location is copy file demo directory within my Drive, and I will tab on OK. So it copying this file now to that location. So here you can see the copy is created. Okay, so notification has also given. Here you can see the newly copied file, copy 1 pod. Okay, so this is how you can create the copy of file. Download, then next option. So in order to download this file in PDF format, simply you can use this download option. So if you tap on download, it will show you notification one file will be downloaded. Here you can check out the PDF file of that presentation is getting downloaded here. Okay, so like this you can download your presentation directly into PDF format. The next option you have save as PowerPoint PPTX. So as I told you, you can work with Google Slides or you can work with PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so if you want to make this file as a PPT file, PPTX file, so simply you will use this option, save as PowerPoint. Okay, right now you can see the icon is what? Google Slide. So if I save this file as a PPTX, so right now you can see it is saving it. Now you observe the icon then after saving it as a PPT. Okay, so after saving it will open it. Here you can see now icon, it become P with that orange square around it. Okay, that means that this file is now will be available as a PowerPoint file, not as a Google Slide. So again, if I want to switch back to Google Slide, what I have to do? Again tab. Now it will show you save as a Google Slide, vice versa. Means if you have PPT file, it will show you save as a Google Slide. If you have a Google Slide file, it will show you save as a PPT file. Like this you can switch between Google Slides and your PPTX files. Okay, then rename. Okay, so what will be use of this? Obviously it will allow you to rename this file. Suppose I want to make it as a copy 2 for example, so simply I will use rename option for renaming my presentation files. Then add shortcut to Drive. So to add shortcut of any specific presentation to your Drive, you can use this option. Okay, if you tab on this, it will ask you the location where you want to add the shortcut. So for example, I will use this copy file demo directory. Here you can see one file is there, and I will add, so shortcut is added to copy file demo, you can see. Okay, so from that location as well you will be able to access this file. This is what the use of this option, add shortcut to drive. Then move. Okay, so to move this file to some another location, you can use this move option. Okay, so you can choose any destination and that file will get moved to that location. Okay, like this file can move. So to print your slides from your mobile itself, you can use this option print. So your printer must have Wi-Fi enabled, so your mobile will get connected with printer through Wi-Fi and you can directly print your slides. Okay, right now in today's days every printer is having Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so you can directly print out your slides from this slides app itself. Okay, so that is what the use of print option. Add to home screen. If you want to add any this presentation to your home screen for quick access, you can use this option. Okay, then after that, at last you have option remove. So if you don't want any presentation file, okay, on your drive, so you can remove it, you can delete it, okay, from this drive. Okay, so after deleting, where it will be moved? It will be moved to trash. So for example, see here, I will try to remove this file. So remove, so it will show you move to trash. Okay, so and it is also showing you message untitled presentation will be deleted forever after 30 days, as we have discussed, okay, in the trash menu. So if I tab on move to trash, this file is moved to trash. Okay, so if I don't do anything within 30 days, means if I don't restore it, it will get permanently deleted or removed from the trash. Okay, this is how you can control individual document using this three dots menu. Okay, all these options will be helpful to you. Okay, now I will try to show you how you can create new presentation within this Google slide. Okay, so here you can see one plus icon. Okay, so this plus icon in the right bottom corner of this app basically allow us to create new presentation within Google slide. Okay, so if I tab on this plus, it will show me two options, choose from a template or a new presentation. So first of all, I will try to show you how you can create presentation from template. Okay, so if I tab on this first option, it will show me some predefined templates, okay, provided by this slides app itself. So I can choose any particular template and I can start editing with that template. Okay, only few templates they have given, okay, here. So any template whichever will be suitable for you, you can tab and you can select that template will be available. Then you can start editing that template. So I will show you, suppose I will choose this template, just tab on it, it will start importing that template as a document within your drive. Okay, here you can see this template is now available. Okay, total 21 slides are there, you can see here total 21 slides are there. Okay, so if you tap on any of the slide, it will show you this option, to option add, comment and edit slide. Okay, so we are going to talk about this shortly. I'm going to show how you are going to edit particular slide. Right now this is how you can import any template, okay, and you can create your own presentation. Okay, then here at top you can see this play icon. Okay, so if you tap on this, it will ask you where you want to present this presentation, whether it is on this device or you want to present it within a meeting or you want to schedule certain meeting. Okay, so these options will be available in front of you. Suppose you want to present on this device itself, and if you tab on this, you can see here it is loading. So presentation will be started on this device itself. So if you are using this on your desktop, computer, then it will start in the full screen mode like you do in PowerPoint with F5. Okay, so it will take certain time to load and then it will appear with a full screen. Okay, okay, you can see the presentation is started here. Okay, like this you can use this button to start a presentation. Then you can share it with other people, as we have discussed the share option. Okay, then these three dots will help you to view comments, question answer history. You can share and export, as we have discussed all these options. Okay, if you want to move this document, move this presentation, you can move this with help of move menu. Then already it is available offline. Okay, if you want to add this document to start document, you can enable this, so it will get added to start document. Then details of this document you can observe here. Help and feedback already we know. Okay, like this you can create new presentation. Right now you can see here, recently whatever presentation we have created with template, it is added within our file list. Okay, so next option we have new presentation. Okay, new presentation will create a blank slide like this with this default layout. Okay, so here right now you can see in the bottom I have only one slide. Right now I have only one slide with this default layout of slide. Okay, so if I double tap on this, it will show me this text box and I can add text here. Okay, welcome to Google slide. Okay, like this you can start editing. So in the top you can see there are two arrows, one is towards left side and one is towards right side. This is for operation undo and redo. Okay, like you know already, we use it in Word, PowerPoint, etc. Okay, so undo redo option, then you can start presentation of this document using this play button. Then you can add collaborators here with help of this icon. Then this plus option will help you to add various components to these slides. Okay, so you can add comment, you can add text, you can add image, shape, line, table, link, etc. I'm going to discuss all these options. So right now I'm just making you aware about how we are creating slide with this another option. Okay, second option. Then here comment you can add. Then these three dots will help you to perform various operations, as we have discussed. One more operation is added here, change theme. If you want to change theme of particular document, see here, after creating blank presentation, still you will be able to add theme. Okay, still you will be able to change theme. Okay, so any theme if you want, you can choose it, you can select it. Okay, so right now I have one slide here. If I want to add one more slide, here in the right bottom corner you can see there is a slide plus icon. So simply tap on this. Okay, it will show you different layouts of slides. So whichever layout you want, you have to select that. Okay, suppose I will select this title and body. So you can see second slide is added now. Okay, so again you can start editing this second slide as well in the same way. Okay, so suppose I want to copy this slide, first slide I want to make copy. So what I can do, I can just tap on this slide. You can see various options are available: cut, copy, paste, add, comment, and there are three dots. Again, if you tap on that, you will find delete, change layout, or skip slide. Okay, so suppose if I cut this, you can see, and after this I want this slide, so simply I will paste it. So you can see now it is appearing after this slide. Okay, so suppose again I will cut it and I will paste it. Like this you can cut, paste particular slide. Okay, suppose I want to make copy of this slide, simply I will select copy and I will paste it like this. Suppose I will make copy of this slide, and after this I want that slide to be appear. So I will tab here, I will select this file. You can see the one yellow rectangle is appearing around this slide, means what, that slide is currently selected, slide number 3. If I tap on 2, so you can see right now slide number 2 is selected. So in the same way I have selected slide number 3, and if I tab on this slide it will show me again same option. So I will simply tab on paste. So you can see now after that slide the slide will be inserted, it will be pasted here. Okay, so next option you have add comment. So you can add comment to this particular slide as well. Okay, so if I sample, okay, so here you can see the comment is added here to this sample slide. One icon you can see at the bottom of this slide. So it's showing that this slide contains comment. So here you can tab view comment. So here you can see the comment will be shown to you. Okay, so likewise you have option delete. So if you don't want particular slide, you can delete it using this delete option. Okay, slide is deleted. Okay, then you have change layout. Suppose I have selected this title and body and I don't want it, I want to change it to, for example, section header. So see here the layout is changed. Okay, so to change layout of your slide you can use this option, change layout. Then you have skip slide. Suppose you don't want to show this slide within your presentation, so simply you will use this skip slide option. You can see here one eye with slash is appearing, this icon. It means that this slide will not shown within your presentation. Whenever you will try to present this second slide will get skip. Okay, so if you want to show it again, simply you will tab on show slide, it will be shown here. Okay, so this is how you can play with this slide, how you can create new slide, you can copy, you can remove, you can hide it, you can show it, like this all you can do with your slides. Okay, now as we know basics now, how to create slide, how to copy slide, how to paste slide, okay, all that thing. Now we will try to take one example how to create presentation. Okay, so for example here I will take one file. Okay, I will copy that file and I will try to create new presentation within the same theme, suppose, which will have certain text. Okay, so I will copy this file. For example, I will copy this file, Python programming language 1. Okay, it has text. Okay, so I can show you all operations whatever I want to show you. Okay, now you can see it consists 44 slides, total 44 slides. Now how to start editing this slide now? Okay, so simply tab on any slide with which you want to edit. Suppose I will start with the first one, so simply tab on edit slide. Now you can see the presentation is open within the edited mode. Okay, now here we can start editing. Suppose now I want to change this title, so I will simply tab on it. You can see various options: cut, copy, paste, delete, add comment, move to front, back, insert link. Okay, so right now I want to edit it. Simply double tap it, so select all, and here I will make it as a Python programming. Okay, so instead of this I will simply delete it. I don't want it, so delete. Okay, so I will try to perform certain operation on this text. So here in the top you can see after play icon there is a character A with some lines. So if you tab on this it will show you all character options. So bold, italic, underline, strike through, subscript, superscript, all these options are available. So bold, right now this text is bold. I will try to change the font. Here you can see font is changed. Okay, you can control this font. Then size, okay, you can simply change the size of text using this size option. Then color you can control. Okay, suppose I will choose. Then if you here, they have given colors in basic and theme section. If you choose basic, then if you tab on any color, below you can see the different shades of that color. So if I choose yellow, so different shades of yellow you can observe. Okay, so any shade whichever will be suitable for you, you can choose with, and you can go with that. Okay, so color you can control. Then highlight color, sorry, right now this text is not highlighted. If you want to highlight, again you can choose color like this. Okay, so if I choose like this, so this color will be used for highlighting text. Okay, again specific version of, or again specific shade of that color you can choose like this. If you don't want, you can simply click on none, so it will not get highlighted. And if you don't want any formatting, you can use this clear formatting, so it will remove formatting. Okay, so I will simply undo this operation because I want to keep formatting there. Okay, so if you tab on this character, these options will be available for controlling the style of text. Then you have various options for controlling the paragraph style. Okay, so while discussing paragraph, I will tell you regarding this. So right now we don't want to add, or we don't want to edit anything on this slide, just we want to keep this as it is. Then I will move to second slide now. So here as well we want to change this. Okay, so again I will double tap, okay, in order to edit it. So I will write here introduction to Python programming. This title I want to present. Okay, and or the other things I will left is as it is. Then I will move to this next slide. Okay, so this slide has title and a body. This is what the layout of this slide. Okay, so if you want to change this, simply you can double tap on this, and you can here add whatever text you want. Suppose I want to add introduction to Python, and here now I want to add the text. Okay, so I will take you to Google Chrome, so we can copy certain text, and I will show you how you can insert that text within your slide. Okay, so I will now switch to Google Chrome. I will try to visit let's say W3 school. Okay, and here we will try to visit Python tutorial. Okay, now here I will tab on start learning. Okay, so Python introduction, and in that you have what is Python. So I will simply select this text and I will copy this, for example, copy. Now again I will move to my slide, and here I will double tap. Okay, so here I will select all this text, and then simply I will paste it. Here you can see the text is available right now. Now we will try to edit it properly. So here we don't want this square icon, here we don't want this. Now this 4 options should be somewhat moved to right side. Okay, so I will select it like this, and here you can see the indent option is available. So if I tab on this like this, you can see they are moving to right side. Or if I don't want to move right side, I can move them to again to their original position like this. Okay, so like this you can control their position like this. Okay, here you can add bullets. Okay, like this you can add bullets to them. Okay, or if you want numbering, you can add numbering as well. Okay, so like this. Okay, this first slide you can create. Okay, so if I want to change now color, So first of all I will make it black color. Okay, I will select this and I will make it black. Okay, and some points I need to highlight here, for example the creator name. So I will double tap and I will select the creator name and I will select the font color option. Suppose I want to make it red with certain shade. Okay, so you can see the color is changed. Okay, so like this you can create your first slide. So what I want to do now, I want to keep the same format of slide for next slide as well. Simply what I will do, I will tab on this slide and I will select copy, and here again I will select and I will select paste. I will tab on paste. You can see the new slide is created. Okay, we have made the duplicate slide of the previous slide here. So I will try to insert next content now here. What Python can do. Suppose I will copy this and here I will paste it here. Select all, paste. Okay, now next only I need to copy these points. Suppose I will copy only 3 points. Okay, 3 points, copy. Then again here I will double tap to select all these points. Simply I will paste it. Okay, so here you can see now what Python can do. So here I will press enter to add somewhat space between these points. Like this, my second slide is created. Okay, so like this I can add files and their contents, okay, within my presentation. Okay, so next if I want to add certain image here, okay, within this particular slide. Okay, so what I can do, I can click on this plus icon. Okay, it will show me different options to add within this slide. So first of all, if I want to add certain text, I will tab on text. So this text box will be appear. I will double tap on it and it will allow me to insert particular text. Again, you can control all properties of the given text. Okay, so you can control size, background color, bullets, numbering, highlight. Okay, all basic operations you can do with this text. So I will remove it, I don't want it. The next you can see image. So if you want to insert image, there are two options. You can insert it from camera, live image you can take and you can insert, or you can insert it from your local storage. So if I go to, instead of camera, I will try to insert it from local storage. So I will choose from photos. So it will show me my local storage. Okay, so here I will try to insert certain image. Okay, so like this I can insert image within my presentation. If I want, I can move this anywhere within this slide. I can control its size by using these corner rectangles. Okay, I can increase it, I can decrease it. Okay, so if you tab on this image, the image is selected. So here you can see different options to control the appearance of image. So first option, you can see border color. So this image has a border, and if you want to change the color of this border, you can use this border color option. Then the border style you can modify here. Here you can see the border is appearing right now, and the style of border. Okay, dash, dotted, all these various styles are there. So right now you can see the image is available with a border option. Okay, dotted border, red color. Okay, if you want to crop this image, you can use this crop option. So here you can see you can crop image like this within this PowerPoint or this slide using the crop option. Okay, then next option you can replace this image. So instead of this image, if you want another image, I will try to insert new image. Instead of this, I will delete it. Again, I will go to this plus icon. So from photos, again I will try to choose. Okay, so here I will choose another image. Okay, so one we have added. So like this you can add image to your presentation. Okay, then you can control the image transparency, brightness and contrast. Right now no transparency is added, so if I add some transparency, you can see the image is getting somewhat faint. So like this you can add transparency to your image. Okay, so you can control the brightness of image as well. Suppose I will reduce the brightness, you can see, or if I increase the brightness. So brightness you can control, contrast you can control. Okay, then you can add a shadow to your image. If you enable this, it will show you the options related to creating shadow. Okay, so here you can again control the transparency and angle, distance. Okay, all that basic options regarding shadow you can control for this image. Okay, so right now you can see somewhat. Okay, so distance, then how much it should be blur. So all this shadow related option you can try, and you can control the shadow of image. Okay, so this is how. And you can as well create reflection. So if you enable this, so reflection of this image will get created here. Okay, so here you can see the reflection of a given image. Okay, so like this you can work with image within your presentation. Okay, then you have the shape option. Various shapes you can add within your presentation if you want. So shapes will be categorized within basic. Different arrows are there, flowchart related symbols are there, callouts are there. Okay, equations are there. All this you can use and you can insert within your presentation. Suppose I will try to insert this shape. Okay, again shape related properties. So you can fill it with certain color, line color you can change. Okay, then you have border. Okay, then you have this shadow for the shape and reflection for the shape. Okay, like similar to images, you have option for a shape. Okay, then you can add different kinds of lines within your presentation. Suppose I will try to add basic line. So here you can see line is added. So basic graphics can be added with help of the shape option, line option. Okay, if you want table within your presentation, okay, to present your data within tabular form, so you can use this table option. It will ask you for number of rows and column. So by default 3 rows and 3 columns it will give you. So likewise the table will get added. To resize it, select particular column. Above to that column you can see the gray color cell is shown. So this will help you to resize your particular column size. In the same way for row, you can use this for controlling the size of your row. Okay, like this. And to add data within this table, simply double tap on any cell where you want to add data. Okay, so like this you can add table to your slide as well. Okay, so like this you can work with this option which will help you to add different components to your slide. Okay, so if you want to add link, means whenever you will click on that particular text, it will get open within some website address or some video address. Okay, so you can add link as well. So if you tab on link, so here you can provide link to the selected text. Okay, so here you need to paste link. Suppose I want to open Google. Whenever I will click on this text article, so here you can see link is added. Okay, so whenever I will tab on this article, it will show me open, edit, cut, copy. So if I tab on open, it will open google.com. okay, simply you can add link like this within your presentation. Okay, so like this you can create a presentation using Google slide. Okay, we have explored all options, and as well I tried to show you how you can create presentation from the data which we can copy from internet. Okay, so 2 slides I have shown you. Okay, introduction to Python, what Python can do. Okay, then I shown you how to add image, how to add shapes. Okay, different components within your presentation. Okay, so like this you can use Google slides for creating your presentation. Okay, so within mobile you can create beautiful presentation using Google slides. Okay, so this is how the Google slide can be used for creating presentation within your mobile phone itself. Okay, so friends, if you find this video useful, please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe this channel, support us. So with this we will stop here. I will see you next video. Thank you guys for watching.